So to celebrate the new year, I am staying up all night tonight to actually finish making the funny moments that actually went corrupt to get it out to you guys on January 1st. So
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
So that was a fucking lie.
Brandon Bondo, if you pull some fucking dumb shit, I'm gonna be pissed. He's just that fucking manipulative, huh?
Right after fucking
Manipulativable.
Yeah, probably retarded. That's the word you're looking for.
Shit.
One away from my Harrier.
Who killed you? Where's he from?
Or VTOL.
I use Who killed you? Where's he from?
He's from Uzbekistan.
Yes, I love the MW3. I love the MW3 game chat. It makes me so
this
happy.
shit makes us sound like we're like on fucking walkie-talkies right now.
Yes, yeah, dude. Shit. Where's Tyler? Can we just play with that, Tyler? You get that, Mondo?
Over.
Hold on. Watch the right flank. It's not a big deal. I'm just saying if you were a good player at the game, you wouldn't have to worry so much about pressing the extra button because you'd be better with the other keys. Over. Roasted. Over.
I just don't understand what that has to do with my gameplay when it has to do with me talking to you guys. Over.
Okay, Codmaster Emma, just get good at the game. Over. I mean, over. Your head has. Let's fucking play shit. Over. Boys, let's get this done. Let's get this done. Units in, units in. Over. I'm just trying to bully some kids like Black Ops 2. Over.
What the fuck is Black Ops 2? This is Modern Warfare. Over.
That's where I started bullying people online. Over.
What is online? This is real life. Over.
Got him. Got him. Requesting recon flyover.
Friendly UAV
Over.
on station.
They're pissed. Over. You think that the most elite paramilitary squad would have better comms? Over. Austin, you only got 2 kills, you fucker.
Like the fucking plane snacks are just your fucking pets.
That'd be fucked, bro.
Ah!
Like your crate comes, your cat was in or something, and it's gone. There's just a note with some fur. Thank
Just
you.
a note.
No, you get a fucking
Says
eye on
thank
you.
you. Thank you. TANK, the letter U.
Thank you.
Thank you. We make tasty.
we make.
Thank you. Someone on that fucking.
What are you guys
side
gonna do
of
for
the
Halloween
trains.
tomorrow?
Dressing up like your
mistake.
mom and sleeping with your dad.
Capturing Bravo.
What?
Rick and Morty.
Bro, is it fucking November?
It's November tomorrow.
Yes, I
Second
can
week
still
in
beat my
November.
meat for one more day.
Yep.
Guys, it's today's last day.
Why are
we
you
can
gonna beat your
fucking
dick on Halloween?
jerk off.
That just sounds spooky.
What's up, Dan? You haven't been talking this whole time.
I have you muted. I can't even unmute you in game chat, so it's
Oh, you
fucked
don't know how
up.
to do it? Alright, that makes a lot more sense.
Oh,
Like,
no, I hit unmute.
no, I'm like,
Just makes Dan seem like a dumbass.
I tried so hard to unmute you. And here
I
you
wasn't trying to be a dick. I was just saying.
Imagine telling someone's fucking like kids that their dad got fucking quickscope.
Oh shit! Come back home. Yeah, I'm sorry. Man.
Oh my god.
Your son was actually 360 YY no scope. He didn't make it.
He didn't make it.
You want to know what my kids' names are?
Left nut, right
It's-
nut.
It's
Left nut, right
enchilada, tortilla, taco, and spicy.
Jacob, shut the fuck up, dude. I'm so hungry.
Imagine your name being fucking spicy. Seriously.
Jacob, if you just want to bring me a Swisher, dude, I would
That's the
love
grind
that.
I'm on.
Or like a single cigarette, dude, that'd be good too.
Just imagine you show up to someone's house just for a single cigarette.
Dude,
like those
fuck yeah.
fucking stories where, please bring me food. You just, please bring me a cig.
Please bring me a cig.
I don't smoke cigarettes, dude.
I don't either, but like I do sometimes.
Alright, Tate, we're waiting for you, bro.
Bondo, you finna join or?
Dude, I'm in the
Why
game.
the fuck did Alex Willing look up? Oh.
No, you're not.
Am I the one? No, I'm Jacob. I'm the one that's not in the game. Not Eating Cry Tonight.
What his name was? What? Huh?
Your name is Eating Kryptonite is in the game.
Oh no, he's not because I'm not in your game.
What the fuck? Bondo, you gotta stop playing these games, man.
Yeah, dude, you gotta fuck off.
They're fucking with us, Kobe.
Wait, let me join the game.
What?
I'm not in the game.
Oh, hey, shit. Tate, happy
I'm not in
birthday.
your game.
Stop
Thanks,
mind
never mind.
fucking me, dude. Huh?
Tate's in the game.
Okay.
No, I'm not, dude.
Yes, you
Oh
are,
my God,
dude.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
You are, dude.
Shut the fuck up.
You
Somebody
are.
send me an invite. Shut the fuck up.
I see your name right now.
Dude, that's the wrong fucking name because I'm not in the fucking game.
Why is there a P in it?
I don't know. But it's not right.
Prove it. Prove you're not in the game by pressing B and clicking leave party.
Dude, I'm at the start screen right now.
There it is. See, there it is. You fucker.
Oops. I did it too on accident.
Shut the fuck up.
Boys, I'm about to get freaking turned on these dooskies!
You gotta work tomorrow?
Yeah, dude, 6
You're lying.
a.m. No, I
Connor
don't
does
work
this every
anymore.
night. I was gonna say he used to do this every
What do you
night.
do, Bondo?
I quit my job yesterday, I think.
He's a full-time YouTuber.
Yeah, I'm a full-time YouTuber now.
Oh, dope. How's that going?
Okay, wait, Bondo. I have a
got
serious
like
question.
9 views on last week's video.
Disarm it, Alex. Help me.
20 seconds. Oh,
Cut the
shit.
wire exactly when I say, not
Alright.
before.
Alright,
Ready.
alright.
Green wire.
Green?
In 3, 2, 1. Cut.
Bitch, specify. You gotta tell me, man. Is it 3, 2, 1, go? Is it 3, 2, 1, cut? Or is it 3, 2, 1, and then you go on 1? Or do you go on 3? Okay.
I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen before. Y'all see a white boy, but my daddy a Negro. Half-breed motherfucker, grip the mic and he flow. I just wanna spread love, they want me to bleed slow. I just wanna keep the peace.